Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see
The Edifier R1700 BTS bookshelf speakers are tried and true with great reviews throughout. They originally launched in early 2021 as an update to the R1700 BTs, adding a 5.0 Bluetooth module supporting Qualcomm aptX high-quality audio transmission with compatible devices. And to this day, they're still one of the most purchased bookshelf speakers for desk setups, music listening, and entertainment. They have 3 inputs, 2 physical channels, and 1 Bluetooth. They come with 2 input cables, a remote control, and a cable to connect the passive speaker to the active powered speaker. They also come with 2 mesh grill covers that can be removed. They have a unique feature that expands the sound field, allowing you to adapt to rooms that they are in, and they live up to the hype. They sound great and are well-built, high-quality speakers. These will be a great addition to any setup for any music lover getting their first high-end bookshelves.
There's nothing